In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete a ticket in Jira, whether you're a project manager trying to keep your board tidy or a team member cleaning up your list of tasks. Understanding how to properly remove unwanted tickets is a handy skill to have. Now let's get started with our step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open Jira in your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your Jira account, as this is crucial for accessing your projects and making any changes you need. Once logged in, navigate over to the specific project where the ticket you're aiming to delete is located. It's important to be in the right project to find the ticket easily. Without this, locating the specific ticket could turn into a frustrating scavenger hunt. Now let's move on to finding the exact ticket you wish to delete. Jira provides a convenient search bar at the top of the screen. You can use this tool to quickly locate the issue by entering relevant keywords. If you prefer more of a visual approach, feel free to manually explore your project board by scrolling through your list of issues. Taking the time to find the correct ticket ensures you avoid any unwanted deletions, saving you from potential headaches down the line. Once you've successfully identified the ticket you want to delete, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a detailed view of the ticket, displaying all relevant information such as the description, activity, and any comments or attachments associated with it. This is a great opportunity to confirm one last time that this is indeed the issue you want to remove. Next, look toward the top right corner of the issue for the familiar More menu. You'll usually see this represented by 3 dots in a vertical line, a common feature across many platforms that hides additional options. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu tailored to what you can do with your current selection. In this drop-down, you'll find an option labeled Delete. Now, it's crucial to proceed with caution. Deleting a ticket is a permanent action, meaning once it's gone, it's not easily retrievable unless you have special administrative privileges or a backup is available. So, double check to ensure it's the right call. When you're absolutely certain that you're ready, click on Delete. This will trigger a confirmation pop-up on your screen. The purpose of this extra step is to reduce errors by requiring a final sign-off before doing something irreversible. Carefully read through the confirmation message and double check that everything is as you intended. Once you're satisfied and confident with your choice, click on the delete button within the pop-up to complete the action. And that's it. With this ticket now permanently removed from your project, you've made a significant contribution to keeping your board organized and free from clutter. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips on managing your projects efficiently.